I am Sharmilan. My chess channel name is Sharmilan Chess. Today I am going to explain and analyze basic end game guide one by one. First one is checkmate with two rooks. Okay, checkmate with two rooks. This is one of the first checkmate you should learn. The first step should be to cut the king off, play rook h4 to continue. Okay. First move is rook h4. Okay, this cuts the king off, hence making its room smaller. Understand right now? This cuts the king off, hence making its room smaller. Okay, next move is king go to d5. Okay, again play rook a5 to continue. Rook go to a5 and we will check. Okay, now check. This forces the king back. Now king go to back. Okay, king go to c6. Okay, another move. Now play rook h6 to keep forcing the king back. Now play rook h6 to keep forcing the king back. Okay, next move is rook go to h6 and we will check. Now king go to b7. Okay, now you can understand right now. Now since after rook a7 the king could capture. Okay, since after rook a7 the king could capture, we would move the rook to the other side of the board, place rook g5. Okay, and then king go to c7. Okay, now we can keep checking. Check. King rook go to g7 and we will check. Then king go to b8. Okay, now that the king is on the edge, we can deliver mate. Okay, rook h8 and beautiful checkmate. That's it. This is the basic endgame guide, checkmate with two rooks. Okay. Okay, basic endgame guide. We are now second chapter of checkmate with queen. Already I explained checkmate with two rooks. Now I am the second chapter of this game, checkmate with queen. Okay, start. Now let's learn how to checkmate with the queen. First, you put the king into a box. Play queen g4 to continue. Okay, first move is queen go to g4. Okay, you will follow the black king in a L shape. Okay, understand right now? You will follow the black king in a L shape. Okay, next move is king go to d5. Okay, queen f4, king c5, queen e4, king d6, queen go to f5. Okay, next move is king go to c6, queen e5, king d7, queen go to f6. Okay, now understand everything. Another move of black, king go to c7, queen e6. Okay, next move is king b8 and queen d7. Okay, next move is king go to a8. Now you need to understand very careful, because now you have to be very careful, as queen c7 is a stalemate. Understand? Queen c7 is a stalemate, so bring your king up. Bring your king up. Okay, next move is king d2, white king. Black king go to b8, king c3, king e8, a8, and white king go to b4, black king b8, king b5, king a8, king b6, king b8. Okay, now that your king is close enough. Okay, understand? Now that your king is close enough, you can mate checkmate right now. King go to b7 and we will checkmate. That's it. This is the chapter 2, checkmate with queen. Okay. Chapter 3, basic endgame height. Checkmate with one rook. Okay, understand? Checkmate with one rook. Okay. To checkmate, first cut the king off. First cut the king off. Okay. First move is king h4. Okay, understand right now? Another move off. black king
king
d5.
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 Okay.
Okay.
Then
bring your king
up.
up. The white king
need to bring up.
King goes
King
to
goes to
d2.
d2.
Okay.
Okay.
King
King
e5.
e5.
Then
Then
king e3 white king. Then black king go to d5. Okay. Now tighten the box. Tighten the box. Okay. King rook e4. White rook e4. Okay. Now the black king is wrapped inside this area. You will continue to make it smaller. You will continue to make it smaller. Okay. Another move. King c5. Okay. Next move is rook d4. Okay. Another move of black king go to c6. Now white need to move your king up. White king go to up. Okay. King go to e4. Okay. Black king go to c5. Another move of white king go to e5. Then king c6. After that, I told already, tighten the box. Okay. Next move is king go to c7. Rook d6. King b7. Okay. Then bring your king over. Bring your king over. The white king need to over to d5. Okay. King go to d5. Then black king go to c7. King c5. King b7. Tighten the box. Okay. Rook c6. Okay. Understand right now. King go to a7. After that, tighten the box. Rook b6. And black king go to a8. Then bring your king out. Our king. The white king go to c6. Now king a7. The black king. After that, king go to c7. Easily checkmate right now. King go to a8. And now you can mate. Okay. Understand. Rook a6 and beautiful checkmate. That's it. This is the chapter 3. Checkmate with one rook. Okay. This is the mate with bishop and knight. Mate with the bishop and knight in the white box. Okay. We are continuing right now. First move is king go to e2. White king, then e7, black king. Now occupy the center. Okay, this is important. Okay. Another move of white. King go to e3. King e6. King e4. Okay. Another move of black king. f6. We need to put a mate to h1 or h8. Understand right now? We need to put a mate to h1 or h8. Okay. Another move. Bishop d3. Okay. Then king go to g6. Okay. Then king go to e5 and we will check. Discovered check. Okay. Then king f7. Okay. After that knight go to f3. Okay. Then king go to g7. Next move of white knight go to g5. Then king h8. This is the blunder. Now the white can mate easily checkmate to 20. Okay. This is a blunder. Another move of white king f6. King g8, black king. Okay. Then knight go to f7. Then king go to f8. Then bishop h7. Okay. Now h7, chapter 4. This is chapter 4. Counter checkmate with bishop and knight in the white box. Okay. Next move is black king go to e8. Okay. Next knight e5. Now another move of king f8. Okay. Then knight d7 and we will check. Okay. King go to e8. This is the mistake of black king. King go to e6. White king. Okay. King d8. This is the another mistake of black. Another move. King go to d6. King e8. Then you can now watch until finish this game because this is a very important game. Bishop g6 and we will check. Okay. Then king go to d8. Then knight to c5. King go to c8. Black king. And bishop go to e8. Okay. King d8. Then bishop go to a4. Okay, another move of king c8. And bishop d7 and beautiful check. And king go to b8. This is the another mistake of black. And king go to c6. King a7, white king, black king a7, and white king c7. Then black king go to a8. Then king b6. Okay, king b8 and king go to b8, black king. And knight go to a6 and beautiful check. Then king a8, and now totally finish this game. You can understand right now. Bishop c6 and beautiful checkmate. That's it. This is the today video. This is the basic endgames guide. I explain both chapter. First one is how to checkmate with 2 rook, how to checkmate with 1 rook, how to checkmate with queen, how to checkmate with 2 bishop and knight in the white box. That's it. If you interest this video, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Okay, that's it. Thank you so much.